Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can restore your past or previous usernames in the Steam application 2025. So let us guide you through this. Alright guys, so you can do this without renaming your username through your profile settings in the Steam application. You can access all of your past or previous usernames and simply restore it. So let me show you how you can do it. Log into your account in the Steam application, click into username at the top. And here next to username, guys, you will see that small arrow down icon. Click into it to access that drop down menu. And from that list, guys, simply select one of your past usernames. And by doing that, it will be instantaneously restored. Alternatively, you may clear these previous usernames by clicking into this button. So let me do that really quickly. You may confirm that. And there you go. After that, the list will be empty, as you can see. So I can't use my past usernames anymore. I will need to edit the username first through the profile editing here, guys. So that's how it works. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.